All right, guys, so this weekend might be scrapped. I literally have no power. Truck went into limp mode. So I'm actually headed back home. All right, guys, so truck just went into limp mode again. I was on my way to the gym and it just went into limp mode again. Yeah, I got to get this thing to the dealership.
Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout, and fame, mud, disease, we all love to hate.
Hey, what's up, everybody? I swear, I picked the hottest day to do any sort of work to this truck. I think we broke a record today here in Texas. So, that last clip, I'm gonna let the garage go up. So guys, that last clip you just saw, my truck did go into limp mode once again, but yet again, I'm gonna say it. The video I did when I went to Summer Truck Nationals, right before I left, my truck went into limp mode. I reset the cam, keep alive memory, so a guy said that worked for him because my truck is tuned. The truck was fine all weekend. I was down there for what, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days. Had all weekend, drove the truck, no issue, she ran fine. This morning I got ready to go to the gym and boop, went into limp mode again. So, what I'm about to do, I'm gonna gotta take it to the dealership, but since my truck is tuned, before you take it to the dealership for an issue like this, because I'm pretty sure they had to plug the computer up or something, you need to reset, basically take it back to the stock file. So to take it back to stock, I do have these extra plugs here from when I got my amp steps put in. I got the adapter, but I heard when you offload and unloading, offloading and loading tunes, you don't want to use these ports. You just want to go ahead and unmove this. So the amp step is now unplugged and it went back up, and I actually needed it down, but whatever. So we're gonna plug that up, and I gotta step up this tall dang truck. Holy crap, without the amp steps. There we go. Can't even think it's so freaking hot, bro. Oh my goodness. This video is probably gonna take place over multiple days because I'm actually ready to go on a vacation here soon out the country. So I don't know when I'm gonna have time to drop this truck off and do all that. So I'm just gonna take it back to stock for right now. So when it is ready to go to the dealership, I can just take it to the dealership and don't have to worry about doing this process. This program is pretty easy. So let's go to, I ain't did this in so long. Program vehicle, return to stock. That's what we want to do. So it's going to tell you what it needs you to do in a second. Turn the vehicle ignition to on. Oh, let me turn this off. I don't got to open this door. It's so freaking hot, bro. Okay, turn it to on. Okay, so the vehicle key is on. So this, press continue. Press continue to confirm to return the vehicle to the save stock file. Yes. Turn key off. Turn key on. Now he's gonna do his little thing, guys. All that stuff starts chiming. And what I found, guys, while it's doing this, I found best, have uninstalled my tune a few times. I always leave my door open because one time when I had my door closed, I think like the truck like cut off the power because nothing was happening with the door on, like the lights stay on. So I think it kept it alive. That's just what I do. So leave my door open if you're gonna do this. But yeah, this is how I tune my device. This is how I tune the truck, if you're wondering. I am tuned by MPT Tuning. You can use this to tune with MPT Tuning, or you could just get SET. They have their tunes as well. I'm gonna take the vehicle back to stock, and we gotta take it to Ford to see what's going on. I think it's a throttle body because I noticed that when it's going into third, it's feeling a little sluggish, like it doesn't wanna go. You know what I'm saying? It's been feeling a little sluggish lately. I thought it was the heat because it is hot and these turbos don't like heat, but maybe it's the throttle body. A lot of people say it's the throttle body and the throttle body sensor that could be bad, but we're gonna hopefully figure it out. But now it's downloading the tune, so we're gonna let us do that. Yeah, guys, I'll keep y'all posted. Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm not sure where this video is picking up at or what's going on, but what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So as y'all know, Red has been going into limp mode. I'm gonna go ahead and start it first. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I'm actually about to take her to the dealership and drop it off. My normal dealership I go to, guys, they told me their first opening for my issue isn't until September 5th. It is July 23rd today I'm filming this video. That's like 6 weeks out. So I called another dealership, never been here before. It's another Ford, right? It's closer to me, actually. So we're gonna take it this one. This one is still 4 days out. But yeah, we're gonna drop it off, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. There's one thing I will tell you is I'm driving the truck without the tune, because I took the tune off the truck to take it up here to the dealership. This truck is hella sluggish with these 37s and 24x12 without my tune. Like, I feel like the truck don't even want to move, bro. I'm like pressing the gas, but I'm scared to press it because I don't want to go to limp mode. So I'm pressing the gas to like, will you please go? But this truck without the tune,
It's completely different. It's slow, it don't want to move, and it's just not what's up, bro.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so this truck just went into limp mode again on the way to the dealership. So thankfully I got it on camera. I told them what was gonna happen, and it just happened. So I'm gonna turn the truck off and wait for a second, see what happens. Dang. All right, guys, so I got it running. So, oh, that's the scariest feeling, bro. I don't need this to do this when I'm on this freaking bridge right here, bro. And I can feel when I try to give it gas, it just don't want to go. So I'm thinking it's the throttle body. I can feel like as soon as I try to give it a lot of gas, get up that hill back there, it didn't work. It spazzed out. I can feel it like it was sputtering, like it was about to cut off. So anyway, hopefully we make it to the dealership. Hopefully it won't happen again between now and then. So yeah, fingers crossed. All right, guys, so as y'all can see, I'm leaving red here. As you can see, go bye-bye. Like I said, it did happen on the way here. Trying to explain what's happening and all that. He did plug up the device, see if there's any code. Came back with 2 codes. One was like for the windshield wiper, and another one was for, it said something like body control module. He said that may be reason why it's calling it, but you know, those codes didn't really ring any alarms to him while it's going to limp mode. So they're gonna take it, keep it, and we'll just see what happens, and I'll see y'all in a bit. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, back baby with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today. Guys, I don't know if this is gonna be an intro, mid-tro, outro of the video. So anyway, just follow along with me. So I got a product here today that I'm kind of excited about. The company reached out to me. The company is called, I might pronounce this wrong, I apologize. Joytutus. Anyway, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, man. Comment below how you pronounce that. So they sent over a product, and actually, y'all can see here, it's actually like a storage bag, guys. And I'm gonna show y'all how this is gonna benefit me here in a second. So here it is. Here it's basically like a 5th wheel or spare tire bag, right? So if you're like heavy in the Jeep community, or you know, you're out and about and things like that, this is what this is built for. Like, this is what this is made for. So you don't have a 5th wheel or a spare tire. I don't, because I have my horn blast, the train horn kit underneath, so I no longer have that. But I actually seen some owners, F150 owners, put this on their tailgate, like actually put it on the tailgate as opposed to the spare tire. So there's ways to do it. I won't be doing that for this video. It fits a 40-inch tire and up to 31 gallons. So this bag is huge. I got it over here, and I can tell you, I just took it out the box. And it's freaking, here it is right here. Y'all can see, very well made, bro. Like, this thing is sturdy, dude. It might be bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Oh yeah, oh, it's gonna be perfect. Look at that. So here's the bag. And it is heavy, bro. Like, this thing is not cheaply made. What's this right here? There's some other stuff right here. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this is like the bag, the storage bag. Put it in. Okay. So this is the actual bag. And you see right there, it has their brand and logo on it. Right here, and it has tons of different compartments. Oh dang! So you got like little notches right here you can put stuff in. Y'all see that? All the way through the whole bag. And then you got a neck cargo down here that you can put some more stuff. And then inside the bag is freaking huge, bro. Look at this. My goodness. This thing is freaking massive. I'm gonna be showing y'all what I will be using this for and how I'm gonna use it. And actually, I can already tell you, I see one thing in front of me visibly that I don't like, and I've been having in my truck like this forever. And that's that blue Walmart bag over there that I keep in the back of my truck for my like towing cables and stuff. And this is how I've been storing my stuff. Look how dingy it is. It's just been sitting in the sun, bro. Look how dingy and dirty. So my towing straps and under my seat. Show y'all why I can't put it under my seat. If you don't know, new to the channel, I have a 8-inch sub underneath my seat. So I don't have much storage space underneath my seat because of that right there, that, and my amp. So I can't store. I know there are some companies that make storage bags who have reached out to me like, hey, we got a storage bag that goes straight under your F150 seat. But it just won't work for me because it won't fit the whole length of my seat. So this is gonna hopefully be my solution, because look, I have tools sitting here. I have emergency roadside kit sitting here. I have my jumper cables here. So all that stuff now can go inside my bag, and I'm so excited about it. And then I'm hopefully gonna sit the bag right here. Anyway, let's go ahead and get everything put inside and see how it works.
Don't try to drain my energy.
Yes, these are my reindeer antlers for Christmas time. I put on my truck, make all the kids happy. Here's the nose if you're wondering.
I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Built to last when the webs I'm
perfect fit. Let's see if it closes. Perfect fit under my seat. Now it does poke out a little on the side. I'm not worried about that too much. As y'all can see right here. But I got a lot of stuff in here, like a lot. And actually I just noticed this. It has a zipper on the side, bro. Look at this. Like you can feel this part too. You can feel this whole back section right here. This is pretty legit, pretty dope. I am not gonna lie to you guys. If you're into camping or anything like that and got a lot of spare parts in your truck, bro, this is perfect. So if you're interested in this product, guys, at the moment of me making this video, I do not have a link for y'all, like a promotion code, but hopefully by the time this video goes live, there will be the information. I will have the information for y'all. It's gonna be in the comments below, guys. Definitely check out the comments below of this video if there's gonna be a discount code for y'all and a link for you all if you wanna grab one of these. I'll try to put some pictures of how they stored it with, like, you know, within the Jeep community. They put it on their spare tire. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed that product. Either it's gonna be end of the video or let's continue the video.
One eternity later.
I'm here to pick up Red. She's ready. I'll talk about what's going on in a minute, but look at this right here. The new 2021 Raptor. Ah, y'all see it right there. Got some BF Goodrich tires, some wheels. Let's see the inside. Screen is huge on this thing on the inside. Goodness gracious. Probably my favorite part about these new F150s is the interior for sure. But anyway, yeah, we at Tom Bob's Ford. Let's go see what they have to say. Oh, yeah, nice Jeep Bronco over there too. Really like that. Here she go. Big body. It's looking good. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it, man.
Sir, I'd watch it, but I know I can kind of tell you.
Oh, it's all good.
Watch
Yeah.
it pretty regularly.
Yeah, it's all good. You gotta worry about it. It's just outside anyway. It's gonna get dirty again.
All right.
All right, man.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate
Let me
it.
know.
All right, thank you, sir. Red is back, man. So what they said was basically what a lot of you all have said in the comments of the video or on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, guys, you're missing out, because I post way more on Instagram than the 2 videos a week on YouTube. Like, I post on Instagram probably like every day about something. So if you want more personal interaction, go to Instagram, follow me on Instagram. A lot of y'all said it was the throttle body, and that's exactly what it was. Basically the throttle body was getting stuck closed, so it was getting no air to the motor, and it was basically just going into limp mode, which is kind of crazy. But a lot of guys I talked to say around 80,000 miles, that's when theirs happened. Yeah, that's what happened. The throttle body just was getting stuck. Total price and charge for that, first he quoted me $1,000. I'm like, 1,000, bro. He coming back like, hey, we actually came out cheaper than what I told you. It's actually $775, so $450 basically for labor, and another like $220 for the parts, you know, after taxes and all that. It came out to $775. The thing about throttle body, bro, is right on top of the engine or the motor. So if you really want to do it yourself, you really can. I don't think it's a hard job, but I don't know me, if you've been watching the channel for a while, I'm not finna do that myself. Did y'all know y'all truck have like lock feature, bro? Like, I'm on a hill right now, a pretty aggressive hill. If you just let your foot off the brake, watch this, I let my foot off the brake, the truck sits and hold. It doesn't go anywhere for like a few seconds, and then it'll start rolling back. A lot of you probably are wondering, hey Q, you know, it would have been a perfect time to upgrade to a new throttle body like a RBK. I feel a few people said that. I looked into the RBK, I really did. When the throttle body was messing, when people were saying it was a throttle body, I was like, you know, I should just go ahead and upgrade the throttle body, maybe get a little more performance too. When I started reading reviews on it, bro, there were great reviews, but very mixed. A lot of people said they had issues with it, especially like the clamp. You used to always pop off on the throttle body on that particular one because the one provided just wasn't sufficient enough. So a lot of people had issues with it, and I'm like, you know what, man? I don't want to worry about taking this truck back to the dealership again, especially if it's throttle body I put on. So that's why I didn't do an RBK throttle body. I got the tune, the truck is fine. Yeah, we go drive the truck home, and hopefully it doesn't go into limp mode or nothing like that again. All right, guys, y'all can see we're back at the house. Got Red here. Back, I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy. Everything's okay with her. Really, guys, your throttle body is right here. This silver thing right there. That's your throttle body. Very easy to get to, right on top of the motor. And look, I'm not losing coolant anymore either. I'm not losing coolant. So I don't know what that whole fiasco was. I honestly think when I got my thermostat swap that it didn't cycle the coolant fully through the system. So I probably needed to fill it more than I did. It probably needed more coolant than what we put back. I think that's what it was. We got it all figured out. Nothing too serious. Again, happy the truck is home. It's your boy Q. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.
I'm on it, I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy.